Hey guys, this is Vacuum 103 here, and today is the 2019 November Vacuum of the Month. And the 2019 November Vacuum of the Month is the Hoover Tempo Bagless. So, I got this machine off of Facebook Marketplace for free. And I do have a problem with this machine. Like, when I first got it, the dirt cup was completely dusty and dirty. And same thing with those filters. So I cleaned them all out. And also, I forgot to mention when I first did a review on this, is that there was another filter that was in here. And I forgot about that. And like when I was first started vacuuming, the headlight burnt out. So the headlight was a little loose, so I fixed it so it's working well. I did check to make sure it's working, so it is working, and it is kind of loud, so I just want to warn y'all it's very loud. So yeah, go ahead and show you what it's got. Got a Hoover logo right there. It's got 12-volt motor. Got height adjustments. Go from bare floor, low to high, tile, carpet. And underneath, brush roll. Y'all see it? Brush roll. It's got the headlight. It's there. Cleaning handle. The headlight. It's got the dark cup to release. You just push this button. You can see to empty. You just lift this up, and you empty right there. You also got this filter right there. It's a little dirty. I do need to clean this out. So this filter will stay in there. Start cup. And there's another filter which is down here. And this another filter which is right there. So yeah, there's another filter right there. It's kind of hard to get off, but anyways, I'll just see. This is just a pain in the butt to put it back on. This will stay on. Is this just because that the filter would not stay in? That's just hard to do. I don't know why I did this, but anyways, right here's the carry handle. You just flip this. The tools you've got right back here. You've got the dusting brush. You also got crevice tool, and you got upholstery tool, and you also got two extension ones, and you got the hose, which is right here. They're not really that long, but anyways, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right here on the side, on the switch right here, and you also got your grip release right down here. Right here on the back is the cord, and this is like a long cord, and right up top is the cord clip. So yeah, well, the cord's not actually that long, but I thought it was. But anyways, go ahead and run it for you guys. Just a heads up warning, if you have sensitive hearing, or if you're wearing headphones, make sure your volume's turned down, because this thing is loud. I just want to warn y'all. So, here we go. This thing is like very loud, and I'm surprised that I haven't even ran this thing or used it in a while. But anyways, that is the 2019 November vacuum of the month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. I will do November update. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.